They're a gluten-free whole grain and a great source of important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Oatmeal is a very popular breakfast food that consists of oats and a liquid, such as water, cow's milk, or plant-based milk. Full of nutrients and fiber, oats are one of the most nutritious whole grain foods that a person can consume. 1. Providing antioxidants. Specifically, it contains polyphenols, which are plant-based compounds that are rich in avenanthramides. Avenanthramides are a type of antioxidant that exists almost exclusively in oats. Avenanthramides can benefit people by increasing the production of nitric acid, which can lower blood pressure, improving blood flow, reducing inflammation and itching. 2. Oats are incredibly nutritious. The nutrient composition of oats is well balanced. They are a good source of carbs and fiber, including the powerful fiber beta-glucan. They also contain more protein and fat than most grains. Eating low-calorie foods that are high in nutrients can provide a person with the nutrients that their body needs while helping them lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. 3. Improving cholesterol levels. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally. One major risk factor is high blood cholesterol. Beta-glucan may increase the excretion of cholesterol-rich bile, thereby reducing circulating levels of cholesterol in the blood. 4. Oats can improve blood sugar control. Type 2 diabetes is a common disease, characterized by significantly elevated blood sugars. It usually results from decreased sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Oats may help lower blood sugar levels, especially in people who are overweight or have type 2 diabetes. 5. Managing weight. Oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber, so people tend to feel full more quickly after eating it than they do after consuming other foods. Feeling full can help a person reduce their portion size and achieve their weight loss goals. Researchers looking at the effect of oatmeal on appetite concluded that it increased fullness and decreased the desire to eat for the next 4 hours. 6. Relieving constipation. Constipation is a common gastrointestinal problem that affects almost everyone at some point. The fiber in oatmeal can help keep waste in the gastrointestinal tract moving, which can relieve or prevent constipation. Oats can be a great addition to a healthy diet. They can be eaten as oatmeal for breakfast, added to baked goods, and more. Oatmeal is one of the most nutritious breakfast foods. It may help a person lose weight, reduce their risk of heart disease, and lower their blood sugar levels.